Hey everybody, thank you for joining my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment if you will. I want to talk about energy harvesting, men harvesting feminine energy. It's a real thing. I experienced this in a past relationship and with all of my previous sexual encounters with men. It's a real thing because men really do. I don't know if they knowingly doing this or they're subconsciously doing this, or they may know exactly what they're doing. Because at the end of the day, when you're intimate, when a woman is intimate with a man, he is taking your life force, your energy, your good positive energy, and using it for himself, especially if he's stressed out, he's going through things or whatever. That energy transfer is going to be, his negative energy is going to be transferred onto you. And it's basically like taking your Holy Spirit, taking your sacred energy. It can make you have, I'm sure that I need to do more research on it, but for me personally, it's hard to put into words because I have experienced this myself. But I also know that at the end of the day, when I'm on the right path and I'm clear-headed and and have a sound mind. Let's say, for instance, if I don't drink alcohol, I haven't had a drink in months, and then I have intercourse with this man and he drinks alcohol, I might be tempted to start back drinking wine, for example. So basically, this man has the power to take me 10 steps backwards. And that has to be understood. And he doesn't have to tell me, he doesn't have to persuade me to do it. It's just that energy exchange is just going to do what it's going to do. So that's a real thing. If you have intercourse with somebody and whatever you're doing with this person is going to, whatever this person is doing is going to affect you, and that has to be understood. I was watching this video, so I'm going to insert the video clip that I watched here on YouTube. So shouts out to the young lady who created this video.
Prioritizing your energy, protecting yourself, making sure that not every man has access to you, because guess what? Men are going to take advantage of your energy. Men are going to use you if you give them the chance to. They need your energy more than you can imagine. And guys have a bro code. They know these things. They know these things amongst themselves. And the truth is, if a lot of women understand how men think, if you guys understand the way men think, you guys are going to be so disgusted by them. Men basically use women. Your energy is valuable, and men are going to use it because they know how important it is to them. One of the biggest ways in which men drain women's energy is through sex. When a guy wants to use you, or when he wants to drain your energy, he comes and gets in between your legs. He puts himself inside you. He gets into your womb. That's why you're going to hear a lot of men say when they are stressed up, they need to have sex. This works especially for men because most of the times when they are stressed, the first thing they do is they go to the club, they look for a chick to take home and smash. They look for a relationship to get into and pour all of that negative energy on the woman that they are dating. A guy is going through a horrible moment, he's depressed, he's stressed, and the first thing he thinks about is linking up with a girl to have sex with her. And the minute he has sex with her, guess what? He dumps all of that negative energy that he was carrying into you, and before you know it, you start feeling depressed, you start feeling sad. Then he is leaving your place happy, excited, feeling energized. Because of what reason? Men are like energy vampires. They come into your life, they drain you and they leave. They come into your life, they drain you and they leave. And this is the power of feminine energy. The world is scared of feminine energy because they know how powerful it is. When a man when a man sleeps with a woman, guess what? He feels happy, he feels energized, he feels confident, he feels motivated. But guess what? When a woman sleeps with a man and this man doesn't have real genuine feelings for her or real genuine intentions towards her, she becomes depressed, she becomes sad, she feels drained. All of the negative energy he was carrying, he dumps it on her and creates a trauma bond with her. He creates an unhealthy soul tie with this woman. Your energy is valuable. Protect it, be stingy with it. Protect your heart, protect your coochie, protect your womb, protect your energy, because the truth is, when you begin to see how men think, you're going to be disgusted by them. Trust me. You're not even going to open your legs to a man. Another way in which men also drain your energy is by getting into a relationship with you. Let's say you're in a talking stage with a guy, and before you know it, you guys start dating. Maybe during the talking stage, he was at a very low moment in his life. He was going through so much challenges and he wasn't really making it. But the minute he gets into a relationship with you, he starts making a lot of money. He starts achieving all of these things, succeeding in whatever he's doing. It is because part of it is because he's using your energy to push himself, to motivate himself. And before you know it, when he has drained every single bit of you, he moves on to the next chick and does the same thing. It took me a while to know this, and I'm trying to share this to you girls so you guys can understand what I'm trying to say. Keep yourself for yourself. These men don't deserve you. They don't, trust me. That's why I always encourage all the girlies watching this video to stay celibate. Keep yourself, protect your energy. No man deserves your body, no man deserves your energy. And that's on period. So besties, I hope you guys love this video and I hope you enjoyed watching.
She summed it up really good, and I liked what she said, and it's really true because men actually do this in real life, and this has to be understood. Men do this in real life and it has to be addressed. So we have to know this. Whether they are consciously doing this or subconsciously doing this, it's a real thing that women possess a sacred energy, a divine energy that creates life in our womb. And so it's very powerful and very sacred and very magical and beautiful, and is love and all those good things. So when a man inserts himself inside of a woman, he creates this bond, this connection with this woman. And if he is just wanting to just please himself, that's not going to be good. He's not thinking about the woman. That's unhealthy, and you're going to feel horrible afterwards. So that has to be understood.